Hi guys, I'm dog sitting Violet today. So what to do while I dog sit Violet? Well, coffee and a cookie, of course. Today I've got my Nova Scotia, the province of Nova Scotia mug. I don't have a complete set of provincial mugs from across Canada, but anyway, I've got Nova Scotia. And while I'm also doing that, you may remember the turntable project down on the railway. Well, today I'm up on the kitchen table here and I have reinstalled the motor in the turntable. By the way, if you've got one of these Fleischmann turntables and you want to get the motor out, here's a little trick. You just unsolder these three wires, blue, black and orange right there, and then the whole unit just slides out. Those wires are the only thing holding that in there. Anyway, I have resoldered the motor on. I have connected the controller that Andy sent me, and now we're going to see what happens. If I can get this thing back together. There we go. So we'll connect the gear cogs and let's have a look-see. Oh, I ran it right out. It works fine, but I've got to realign it. There's a little trick to realigning this so it stops in the right place. Wow! So now I can reinstall, or I can install this turntable, which means I've got to tear out the Atlas one and reconfigure that whole area down there. Let's go take a quick look at that and see what that looks like. There we go. There's the Atlas one. Tracks radiating off in all directions. All of that's going to have to come off. All the wiring that was done underneath it will all have to come out, because when I put the Fleischmann turntable in, it has to sit back here. There just isn't room up in there for it, so it's got to sit back over here, and the tracks radiating off will only go off in one direction, I think, in that over there. But anyway, now that I know that the Fleischmann turntable works, I think it's going to be worthwhile to make this change, and that way I'll be able to turn any locomotive I have on the turntable. Thumbs up, Andy. Thank you very much. Thank you for the parts that enabled me to do this. Hopefully next time I show this, there'll be a Fleischmann turntable in here and all working perfectly well. Bye for now, guys.